You know when people say they've made it. That's never true because there is no such thing as a single moment when you've become successful. Success is a journey, not a destination. There's no meditation, no incantation, no mantra that you can do once and then you're good forever. It's an ongoing process, and Positive Prime is the same. It's like you're strapping a rocket to your car. Just a short 3-minute session every morning lights the fuse and powers you through your day. As you've probably seen from our customer reviews already, you'll have less stress and anxiety, supercharged positivity, and you'll get more done in a day than you have all week. But what I said about every morning, that's the key. You see, the effects of positively priming your mind are shown to last for 6 to 8 hours. But like anything, you have to keep using it to see the benefits. That's why I strongly encourage you to keep using Positive Prime for another week. I guarantee, once you notice just how much better your entire day gets when you're in a positively primed state, you'll never want to give that up.